Boat Airdopes 91 unboxing. Here in this video we are going to see the boat Airdopes 91 unboxing. So here we have been ordered from the Amazon. The package has been ordered and let's quickly unbox it. Let us remove the upper stickers of the delivery info and open the box step by step slowly. Use 2x speed for faster, and here we will be doing. Meanwhile, you came to our channel for first time, hit on the subscribe button and like our video, and we will be unboxing and updating the more videos which are the exclusive on YouTube, first time on YouTube, so you don't miss it. So please subscribe our channel and like, so that I feel motivated for making more videos. Also share if possible. I will speed up the process for you in 3x speed, so our viewers don't feel boring. So here comes the product. Here reveals the boat Airdopes 91. You can see here, this is the Airdopes 91 from the boat. You can observe. Okay, let's reveal it by unwrapping the cover above it slowly. Okay, now we have removed the wrap. So here you can see the details. The price is 5k. Do what for you. You need 45 hours play time. Okay, let's open it. Here comes the Airdopes 91 from the boat. Let's reveal it. Here is the boat Airdopes 91. Let's open it. Boat Airdopes 91 looks almost same from the outside. The box looks same. Here is the indicator of LED. You can see the glow. Airdopes 91. This model has been a unique features, unique look also. Smooth and shiny. Let's apply some. As usually, you can see the box. We need to. Okay, let's see more what has been given inside the box. Here you can see the small box, white box. Let's open it and see what will inside it. Here we observe a cable and cover of the Type-C cable and earpiece cover. Okay, so Type-C cable for charging the Airdopes 91. Okay, here is the manual also inside. So let's open the manual and quickly read it. This is the manual given inside regarding the instructions how to use and operate the boat Airdopes 91. Earbud control issue, all related small diagnosis, how to diagnose ourselves for small issues regarding the Airdopes. So here you can see a small book type. You can observe the IPL teams, sponsors of the boat. Okay, here also we get 1 year warranty from the boat official. Boat ahead, boat at the head. Okay, this is 1 year warranty card provided on the boat Airdopes 91. For any problem, give a missed call for product warranty claiming. Okay, so this is the perfect. So over, the unboxing has been done of the boat Airdopes 91, which is good looking, stylish. Thanks for watching till the end. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Like, share, comment. Stay tuned for more exclusive videos on Bugfixer. Okay, thank you for watching.